Hey guys, this is Joe, and I'd like to welcome you to my new channel called The Mathematical Vortex. This is my debut video, and as you could probably tell by now, I'd like to discuss first and foremost the order of operations. You may have heard the phrase, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," or PEMDAS for short. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for divide, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. I think at this point we can all agree, that parentheses and exponents, they come before we even talk about multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction. From what I can see, the most common misconception about the order of operations is that almost everybody thinks that the very first thing you're supposed to do is multiply. Others think that you multiply and divide from left to right because multiplication and division share equal priority. Well, I'm here to tell you that PEMDAS is wrong. And here's how I'm going to prove it. Let's jump right in. Okay. So I am going to start with some very simple equations here. Okay. So we're going to start with the one on the left here. Excuse my crappy line there. And we'll go ahead and multiply first. Since it's on the left, if it works with both rules, you can either think multiply first or on the left, or however you do it, it'll work both ways with this one. So if we start out with 2 times 6, we have 2 times 6 equals 12. And then if we further divide the 12 by 3, we get 4. Over here, if we do the same thing, we follow left to right. We start out with a division, so 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And 2 times 2 equals 4. Now, alternatively, if we come back over here to the left, if we decide that we want to divide first, we can divide 6 by 3 to get 2. Now we can multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4. So either way, whether we multiply first or divide first, we get to the correct answer. Now, here's where the problem comes in. If, on the other hand, we follow the rule of multiplying first, and division is on the left, then we multiply first, we get 3 times 2 equals 6. And now we go 6 divided by 6, and that equals 1. So, which answer is correct? Is it 4 or is it 1? Well, if you think that we're supposed to always multiply first, then I would guess you would say it's 1. But if you think we go from left to right first, then I would guess that you would guess 4. Alternatively, if we look over to this other side, whether we divide first or go left to right, we get the correct answer of 4. Over here, if we go left to right, or we divide first, we get the correct answer of 4 again. Now, I know that this may seem a little bit weird or strange. I'm just trying to introduce you to another way of thinking about this. The truth of the matter is that division takes priority over multiplication. It works because if multiplication is on the left, then we can multiply first. Okay, so we got the multiply first, left to right, like all that stuff works. But the truth of the matter is we can always, always, always divide first and still get to the correct answer. And just so y'all don't think I'm pulling your leg, I'm going to jump over here to the calculator, and I am going to put in 6 divided by 3 times 2. There it is. Push equals, and bam, 4 is your answer. Now if we go back, we can see that 4 is the correct answer and 1 is the incorrect. So again, remember, the true order of operations is that division takes priority over multiplication. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or input, feel free to comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like this video and thumbs up. Don't forget to hit those notification buttons so you can see when I post a new video. You guys take it easy and remember to think outside the box.